Hi, I'm Peter Natev with Remax Experts, and I would like to introduce you to Suite 301 at 2500 Rutherford Road in the highly sought after Villa Giardino in Vaughan. This suite offers over 1,100 square feet of comfortable living space with 2 bedrooms, 2 full-size washrooms, your own parking, and a locker. But the real showstopper, it's a corner unit with your own private wraparound terrace. If you would like more information on this unit or to book a private showing, feel free to reach out to me. In the meantime, enjoy the tour.